Has your baby monitor's night vision stopped working? Let's say you have one like this, and it works good during the day, but when it gets all dark, you can't see anything. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Good night, baby penguin. Can't see anything. Just to show you what it looks like with the lights on. There's baby penguin, so that's what you should be able to see at night. But the night vision completely doesn't work at all. You can't see anything. I'm gonna help you fix that right now. It's gonna cost you some money, but it's not gonna cause you any time. Here's what's going on. So all your baby monitors are basically the same, but this is the Infared Optics DX8. And what happens is you have these infrared LEDs. Infrared is a type of light wave that cannot be seen by the human eye, but your camera is able to pick it up. This camera senses when it's dark, and it's supposed to kick on infrared light coming out of these LEDs right here. Well, apparently they get weak or they stop working properly. I think this monitor worked fine when we first bought it, but after a year or so, they no longer get the job done. So all you need to do to fix it is you don't need to throw this away. You don't need to buy a new one. You don't need to take it apart. You just buy yourself a infrared light. So this is made for a security system, but it's going to work for us. All you need to do is set this up in the room, pointed towards your baby, and it's going to create a lot of infrared light, way more than this camera is now producing. So you'll be able to have all the night vision you need to see your baby. Let me set this up and show you what it looks like. Got my little helper. It's going to help me mount this thing up. Alright, so there's our setup. Now when you turn the lights off, this is as an automatic sensor that automatically kicks on the IR light. And the way that you know the infrared lights are on is that the lights will actually show up red when you're looking at them. So your baby will be able to see the red, but that's it. As you look out into the room, completely pitch black. Obviously this GoPro is not able to pick up IR light waves at all. Turn the light back on. All right, so now that we got our new IR light set up, we're gonna tell baby penguin goodnight for the second time, and we'll see if we can see him on the Infared Optics baby monitor now. Good night, baby penguin. There he is. There's baby penguin asleep in his bed. Let's go over and scan to the darkest part of the room. In the far corner. Oh, there's the chair. Wow, you can see everything. What a fix. That's nice. And just to show you we ain't fooling around. Completely dark in here. And there's the monitor on the bed, which as you can see is completely dark. So this is a great fix. Only costs about 30 bucks. I guess a little bit of your time, but so much easier than having to take apart a baby monitor and solder and do crazy electronic stuff like that. So if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe for more helpful how-to videos like this. See you on the next one.